Okay, so here we go, just stepped off my train at Edinburgh Waverley, about to set off on the TransPennine Express behind the screens tour. Got my map, got my guidebook, I'm good to go. Well, this is the first stop on the tour, Scott Monument, not too far to walk at all. It features in Cloud Atlas, where Ben Whishaw's character comes here to think about life, and you can see why. Less thinking, more action for the next stop, as this street featured in Avengers Infinity War. It's looking a little bit calmer today. Well, I am definitely burning some calories today. Taggart, obviously. Well, this is certainly the most intense part of the walk. That is actual sweat, but it is also it's the most scenic, and I think it's going to be worth it when I get there. This location could claim to be an Oscar winner, having featured in the 1981 film Chariots of Fire. Appropriately, the tour ends here. That is Regent Bridge, giving the opening scene to Trainspotting, and it's right by Waverley Train Station. So it's been a long journey, but I do feel I've seen loads of Edinburgh that I've never seen before, and I've visited a few times, so it's well worth it. And I've got my exercise in as well. Can't wait to see how many steps I've done today. So all in all, great experience. Totally recommend it.